Mr. Graham may be entitled to his homophobic beliefs, but he's surely not entitled to be provided with a stage to air them at a convention centre that is 50% owned by the Welsh Government.
Obviously, a huge motivation to go and help people in disaster areas. The motivation is also to spread the word of Christianity and to convert people to Christianity.
No, I want people to know God loves them and cares for them. No question. That's not, and I don't want.
You'd like them to become Christian, though, too.
Of course. I would want everyone to know God the way I know God. No question. But is that a condition for our support? Is that a condition for our aid? Never. We help everybody regardless who they are.
Do you think there's an audience for your type of teaching in Wales?
Well, I was there in Newport in 22.
You did have some problems at some point when you went to Wales?
We didn't really have any problems.
But you were stopped from holding an event in Wales at one point?
Yeah, there were groups that wanted to prevent us from coming. We've never had 100% support anywhere.
There's a movement in Wales and an interest?
Oh, no question, yeah. No question, yeah.
Why do you think there has been controversy about you going particularly to Wales and to some areas of the UK?
I preach what the Bible teaches, okay? And that is a conflict with many people today. They don't want to hear what God has to say. They don't want to talk about sin.
How do you know that one thing is sin and something else isn't sin?
Well, I mean, the Bible spells it out pretty clearly, Maxine. First of all, pride is a sin. We know that lying is a sin. Adultery. God made sex. He created sex, wants us to use sex, enjoy sex, but it's to be used in a marriage relationship between a man and a woman.
What if, just to stop you there, a gay couple would say, but we don't enjoy having sex with a member of the opposite sex? That would be hurtful. What would you say to that? Because that wouldn't be enjoyable for them.
Well, you can abstain. But just because I don't enjoy something doesn't give you a license to offend God.
Because of the influence of religion, some people believe their freedoms have been taken away. For example, you know, women who disagree with the way the laws regarding abortion have changed in the US. Yeah. They would say that their freedoms have been taken away.
For me personally, I would like to see all abortions, except in case of incest, rape, banned. But in our country, there are some states that have much stricter laws, and there are some that allow you to abort the child all the way to term, and that's just murder.
What's the future of religion, do you think, particularly in places like Wales, where, you know, we're seeing churches, chapels close around us?
The church is going to be there long after you and me. There's always going to be people who believe, and I think there'll be another Welsh revival.
You do? Mm-hmm. How do you see that Welsh revival?
I think there'll be people confessing their sins and repenting and saying, Lord, do it again.
Oedd yn rili amlwg oedden nhw eisiau ni gweld y pethau da maen nhw'n neud. Maen nhw eisiau dangos bod nhw yna i neud rhywbeth positif yn y byd. Anodd iawn i neud cyfweliad gyda fo, achos yn amlwg mae eisiau dod ar draws fel rhywun sydd yn caru pawb a sydd yn llawn crefydd a cariad a... Ond, tu ôl y llenni mae yna amlwg negeseuon dwi ddim yn cytuno gyda. Mae'n darllen y Beibl a mae'n dweud, reit, black and white, dyna ni, du a gwyn. Ydy Franklin Graham yn parchu pobl hwyw? Probably ddim yn y ffordd byswn i'n licio.